This is video number 7. I'm going to show you how you can copy and transfer waves from one board to another. So here we are in final circuit mode. We are in final circuit mode on this particular board down here, DB2. I've zoomed out so we can see the split board because I want to transfer these lighting waves into this split board. So all we do is use in the edit menu, again you can see there's the final circuits, copy waves from there to there. Next one from there to there. If I wanted to transfer this small power from that one into the small power circuits. So you can see, provided you've got the recipient board set up with the appropriate waves, you can actually copy from one board to another. Quite a straightforward process. Just need to make sure that you can see both boards, that when you're in final circuit mode, that means you can then transfer from one board to another.